perfumes or any strong odorful substances can cause sneezing, especially in individuals who have allergic rhinitis. So what is allergic rhinitis? We are sensitive to certain things that we inhale, especially our nose, and it reacts by producing more watery discharge and sneezing. Strong odorful substances like perfumes, cleaners, repellents, agarbattis, smoke, and also while cooking, the tempering of oil can induce sneezing and allergy in individuals who are hypersensitive. So the simple treatment is to avoid all these smells. But if avoidance is not possible, they can always get very simple allergic treatment from the ENT doctor. Identify which all smells and odor substances you are allergic to by testing and also by wearing a mask.